The more enthusiasm and faith you are able to put into your picture, the more quickly it'll come into visible form. And your enthusiasm is increased by keeping your desire secret. The moment you speak it to any living soul, that moment your power is weakened. Your power, your magnet of attraction, is not that strong, and consequently cannot reach so far. The more perfectly a secret between your mind and your outer self is guarded, the more vitality you give your power of attraction. One tells one's troubles to weaken them, to get them off one's mind. And when a thought is given out, its power is dissipated. Talk it over with yourself and even write it down, then destroy the paper. So a question here is keeping your desire secret. The moment you speak to it, any living soul, the moment your power is weakened. The section I find interesting, the idea of telling someone of a goal or desire dissipates it. Please explain. Absolutely. This is something I actually asked Bob Proctor a long time ago during our inner circle pin holder meeting, our $1 Million Round Table, talking about, do we actually talk about our goals out loud or not, or how does that all kind of come into play, what we're talking about here? The main thing that he has always mentioned, he's experienced as well as my experience as well from this, is giving your goal out to somebody or your desires to the right group of people actually energizes your idea. If you give it out to the wrong, that's when it's dissipated in essence. Okay. So to the group of people here, we're all elite thinkers. We all have a lot of encouragement in our VIP family here, a lot of support. We encourage the idea. We give the idea life. We provide that energy to the thought. It will grow. If you're around somebody that immediately says, you're going to do what? How are you going to do that? Right? Those ideas, there's no way you're going to do that. Who do you think you are? Right? Those kinds of people with those kinds of thinking will zap the energy. It basically pushes that energy in, and that's what we call dissipates the energy more for your goal. So keeping your goals secret is absolutely what you want to do for about 99.9% of people all around you in this world, if you will. But to the people that you know that will encourage, that will provide vitality to the thought energy, it's absolutely okay to share and put the intention out, because it also creates accountability, creates liveliness within the mastermind that we're all connected in, which is kind of all these batteries hooked up together. It's like what Napoleon Hill talks about in Think and Grow Rich as well. He says, absolutely tell the world what you're about to do, but first show it, but first do it, right? Because usually the world is a lot of people that might not believe in a dream that they cannot see. It's only your job to believe in it, right?